Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get on-screen caps lock and num lock on and off notification in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first, as you know that when we press caps lock or num lock in our computer keyboard, then we won't see any notifications. As you can see, when I press caps lock on and off, you won't see any notifications on the desktop screen. So how you can get this kind of features in any of your Windows computers? So for this, open any web browser and in the Google search this application named as Caps Lock Indicator. So once you search this application, you will get here its official website. As you can see on the first list, Caps Lock Indicator. Just click on it. Now you can see its web page. Now here you can see a tiny application named as Caps Lock Indicator. You can read the instruction also, and here you can see a download option. Just click on it. Wait for a few seconds. Now you will get a tons of download options. I will highly recommend to download the latest version. As you can see in the top list, this is the latest version. So here is the different websites to download from. So I will highly recommend to choose this official server. As you can see, this one. So just click on it. So you can see on the below, it's being downloaded. So it's being downloaded now. So I will just move to the folder where it is being downloaded. Now let me close the web browser. Now just double left click it to run the application. Now you can see here it's user interference. So here you will get a tons of options. So first you can see it's auto select, num lock, caps lock, scroll lock. If you don't want a notification for different like scroll lock, then you can just turn it off, or you can keep it as it is. And here you can see if you don't want the icons, then you can just select these options also. And even the language, you can select different languages. And notification settings also. Here you can do some tweaks, like here I will show you. So always show overlay when active. Now when I press on the caps lock button, now you can see on the below off and on. Now you can see it suddenly fades away, right? When I click on caps lock, it stays for a few microseconds like. But if you want to keep this options active, then you can see here on the above there is an option always show overlay when active. Then you can just enable this option, click on save. Now when I press on caps locks, num locks or scroll lock, then you will see a active button. As you can see, caps lock is on, so it won't fade away within seconds until and unless you turn it off. So once I press again the caps lock to make it off, then it will go away. So once I turn it on, then it will stay active. As you can see in the notification settings also, I have turned this option on. So if you want it to stay until you turn it off, then you can turn on these options. And even here you can see overlay positions. You can change the location if you want locations, and this time it will change. So you can see the location you can change also. By default it is on the right bottom corner, and even you can change the opacity also, or you can keep it as non-transparent also. And even you can change the color of this respective notification. And even you can see here fonts also you can change by your own choice. And once you are done with the settings, you can click on save, and that settings will get active again. So it's a very cool applications if you mainly use a keyboards a lots of time and suddenly you forget to check that whether your caps lock, num locks are on or off. Sometimes what happens nowadays in most of the wireless keyboards, there is a missing of caps lock, num lock indicators. So it creates problems whether you are pressing your caps locks or the num locks are turned on or off. You might not know, but using this cool application, you will be notified that whether your caps lock is on or off in any of your Windows computer. So though this application is very tiny, but sometimes it may be very handy for some people out there who are very active using their respective computer keyboards. So if you never known about this cool application, then definitely you should check this out. And if you face any difficulty in understanding this application about how to use it, or you're facing some confusions, then you can leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.